The Blue Pure 511i Max stands out for its compact footprint, yet can refresh the air in a small apartment-sized space within about an hour, making it well-suited to bedrooms and home offices. Its hybrid mechanical and electrostatic filtration captures very small particles such as smoke, fine dust, and many common airborne germs, while also handling pet dander and pollen effectively. Noise levels are impressively low, with a whisper-quiet night mode and dimmable lights that make it easy to run right next to the bed without disturbing sleep. The companion app adds real value by showing real-time air quality, estimating when the room will be clean, and tracking actual filter wear so you are not guessing about replacement timing. Simple top controls, a clear color-coded air quality indicator, and a child lock make day-to-day use straightforward, even for people who are not tech-savvy. Washable fabric pre-filters and the option to choose between different specialized main filters help keep ongoing maintenance flexible and more affordable over time.